So on this video, we're going to be doing logic statements. So I'm going to be doing an if statement. So working with ifs, if else statements. I might even get into some while statements too. All right, let's get started. So as you can see, I have down here the SRC, which stands for source, I think. And I'm going to connect my app.js. And basically whatever I write in this app statement will be connected to the index HTML. And I'm going to write alert logic time. Why I'm doing that, I don't know. I just felt like doing it. All right, so if statements. If statements in JavaScript, because it could be a little bit different in other languages, right? Actually, think about what I'm doing. All right, just want to do this. Our I think this will work. Or I might have to do like a variable above it. Let's see. So if hour is less than 17, greetings equal buenos dias, which stands for good morning. Um, Pretty sure this ain't gonna go right. But maybe again, I might be wrong. Well, it says logic time, but nothing. Oh, yeah, I didn't. Okay, so let's do that differently. Document, right. I didn't put it in nothing. I see. All right, let's try it again. Isn't it already up? Yeah. All right. So I didn't think that would work. So hour is to equal something. Now this should work. Basically, I just created a variable, and if that variable is less than 17, it's gonna write it to the string. Let's see if that works. Logic time, buenos dias. And buenos dias just means good morning. So that's an if statement. All right, so what if I want to do a little bit more? Let's do an else. And let's do this in military time. If hour is less than mm, else, document, right? Lunas taught us. So this is an if statement. Logic time Lunas taught us because it's not less than 12. 1600 is that afternoon in military time? Let me see. 15 is 3. Like 16 is 4. Yeah, 1600. Um, so yeah, I guess that would be, would that be evening? That's probably, I don't know. I get that mixed up. Anyway, that's how you do an if else statement. But we're gonna take it a little bit further. Let's do if else. And we're gonna do an expression. If else hours less than 12 and how you do an and in JavaScript? Oh, so I was right. I've been messing with a lot of languages, so I wasn't completely sure. Um, else if hours less than 12 and greater than 12, it gets me to the afternoon and hour less than, I'm gonna say evening starts at 5. That's what I'm gonna go with. So 17. Okay, so it gave me Buenos Aires. We're gonna do something else though. else document right. Buenos noches. Yes, and that did work when I changed the variable. And that is how you work with if statements. So I said if hour is less than 12, I want you to write it to the document known as DS, else if hour is greater than 12 and hour is less than 17, write it to the document Brunas tardes, which is afternoon, good afternoon. Else, just write it to the document Brunas noches, which is good night. All right, so those are my if statements. Now I want to do a while statement. All right, so actually I could have left that up there. I think. um, wow, hour is um greater than 17. Document right. Unos noches. So it should come out as Buenas noches. Oh, no, it didn't. Huh? Looks like I'm having issues. Closing that. Uh, closing that. See where you right now. All right, so what did I say? Well, hour is greater than 20 Document right, Buenos noches. Let's try something else. Oh, I see what I should have done. That's all right. Hopefully, Peter seems to be moving a little slow. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I cancel logged it. So now I can to look at the castle. Okay, three. So it did work. Um, let's see what this do. Logic time. Okay. So I did get it to write to document. So that also means, let me go back to this. Hour, let hour equal 20. Well, hour is less than, well, hour is greater than 17. Not working that way. Um, All right, so let's try it again. Nope, didn't work that well. I was trying something. It didn't work. Not even consider that. Nope. Oh, I got the wrong thing in there, actually. Oh, it worked that time. Uh, so that's how you work with um while statements. Basically, just have to get the syntax down right when you do these different languages. All right, so that was a while statement. I did an if statement, if else, and is if else if. So yeah. Now for let's try the do while loop. The do while. All right. So let hour equals 3. This is 24. While hour is less than 24. Okay. So it did do it. Let's see. Uh, I didn't mean to do that. Mm, Okay, I don't think this makes any sense, but I'm doing it anyway, just to see if it works. Budget time. And basically it just says Bruno's taught us 24 times. So what did I actually do? I said do hour plus plus, so that's increment the variable, and it starts at 0, and I'm incrementing it. And I'm writing to the document Bruno's taught us. And you're gonna do that while it's less than 24. So it's basically just going to count up to 24. And by the time it does that, it'll have 24 Bruno's taught us written to the document. Why I did that, I don't know. I just did it just because. All right, that's enough on this video. This video is probably a little bit on the longer side. So we're gonna cut it off right about now after I check council. I want to look now. Okay. I want to see what it said. All right, close out of you. And that is all for this video. So.